Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to pre-order iPhone 15. Okay, first things first, start by opening the Apple Store app on your device. If you don't have the app, you can also visit apple.com. Once you have the app, just open it. You'll land then on the Apple Store homepage. Scroll down until you find the section that says Get Ready. Click on that button to start. If you also prefer, you can scroll until you locate the iPhone 15s. Choose then your preferred iPhone 15 model from the options provided. You can also select the color and storage capacity that suits your needs. Decide whether you want to purchase the iPhone outright, finance it, or use the Apple iPhone Upgrade program. Make your choice based on your preferences and what is available in your country. Also, choose whether or not you want to add Apple Care to your iPhone order. Note that Apple Care provides additional protection for your iPhone. And lastly, if the iPhone 15 is already available, you can simply click the order button. However, if it is still not available, just tap on pre-order and wait for the Apple customer support to notify you. After that, just patiently wait for your iPhone to arrive. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now pre-order iPhone 15. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.